In this video I'm just going to explain to you how to use the Aussie Furniture Care leather conditioner. Now we've just finished cleaning this chair with the Aussie Furniture Care leather cleaner, and it's always a good idea to follow up with a conditioner. Now this is a natural product, it's going to leave a nice finish on the surface after you've done the cleaning. It's a good idea to do conditioning every 3 to 6 months, and it keeps the moisture in the leather and it helps to keep the leather clean. So it sort of doubles up as a protector, but conditioning the leather at the same time. So we'll go and get started here, and we'll put some conditioner on here. Now you'll need some cloths, some dry cloths, and just a lightly damp cloth for your application. So just squirt some onto the surface, go in a circular motion, spreading the conditioner out evenly. If it hasn't been done for a while, it will probably soak up a bit. Just put some on the cloth. That'll spread a bit more as the cloth gets wetter. Just overlapping, making sure you haven't missed any spots. Down the side here. Now it'll take a little while to dry, probably around about 5 to 10 minutes, so we'll stop the video and we'll come back to buffing it off. Okay, so all we need to do now, we've waited around about 10 minutes to let this dry off. So just get your nice clean dry cloth, go over, same as what you do when you're putting a product on, just circular motion, overlapping, making sure that you're getting all the spots. It comes off very easily once it's dry. It leaves a nice smooth finish. Now the conditioner conditioner moisturises, conditions and protects, so it gives you 3 things that it actually does. So it keeps the leather in good condition.